Never in a million years did I think I would buy an entire package of glass cleaners because every pair of glasses comes with some. I mean that when I say it. I never thought I'd be buying these, but then I saw these and my mind went back to them as I went about my day and I said, I have to have these. They come packaged in this nice bag and the bag is resealable so you can place the ones that you're not using into the bag to keep them safe. And then inside of there, I've already gotten some out. Then each of these are individually wrapped. So take out your favorite and give these as gifts. One thing I love to do at Christmas time is random acts of kindness. Wouldn't this be a fun rack? This is just a glasses cleaner. Hand this to someone, say Merry Christmas, this is a glass cleaner. Someone, obviously they need to be wearing glasses, but you can use these for sunglasses too. So if they're wearing sunglasses, I'm gonna open these. I don't wanna open them. I'm gonna have to buy a whole nother package to gift. I wanna show you how cute these are and how good the quality is. That's why I'm opening them for you. I mean, the packaging, every part of the packaging is quality. These come with a little paper in them. They're the normal size. I would say maybe slightly smaller than the ones you get with your glasses. Look at this little dog. Could it be any cuter? Puppy glass cleaners. Look at this one. Absolutely adorable. Really good quality. They do clean your glasses like they're supposed to do. But here's this thing. They just bring me joy. Not this one because I just opened it today, but the one that I've been using. When I look at it, I smile. And nobody likes cleaning their glasses, so you might as well enjoy it with the cute little puppies on these. And like I said, these would make great for gifts. Stocking stuffers, you get 6 in the bag, so these would go a long way. And of course, this will last you a few weeks if you're anything like me and you lose yours all the time. Love these so much. I suggest you get some and to share.